Did you know that you can create one digital product and make thousands of dollars from it every single month without doing any extra work? Imagine waking up every morning and seeing PayPal or Stripe notifications on your phone. Money rolling in while you sleep. Sounds amazing, right? In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can start selling digital products online and build a passive income stream that works for you 24/7. What's in this video? Best-selling digital products you can create today. Where to sell them. Best platforms for success. How to price and market your product. Common mistakes and how to avoid them. A secret tip at the end to double your sales. So make sure you watch till the end because you don't want to miss this. Part 1. What are digital products? Definition and benefits. A digital product is something you create once and sell over and over again, without any inventory or shipping. Examples of top-selling digital products. Ebooks and PDFs, guides, how-to books, niche topics. Online courses and webinars, skill-based teaching. Canva templates and graphics, logos, social media kits. Subscription-based content, exclusive memberships. Stock photos and music for YouTubers and content creators. Software and mobile apps, automation tools. Why should you sell digital products? Low cost to create. High scalability, sell at unlimited times. No physical inventory. 100% passive income. If you had to create one digital product today, what would it be? Let me know in the comments. Part 2. Choosing the right digital product. How to pick the perfect product. Choose a product that is in high demand and solve a specific problem. Research what people are actively looking for and willing to pay for. Best niches for digital products. Personal finance, budget planners, investing guides. Health and fitness, workout plans, meal guides. Business and productivity, Notion templates, marketing resources. Self-improvement, ebooks, motivation journals. Market research hacks. Google Trends, find out what's trending. Amazon Kindle Store, see best-selling books in your niche. Etsy and Gumroad, find top-performing digital products. Reddit, Quora, Facebook groups, identify common pain points. What niche do you think has the most potential? Drop your thoughts below. Part 3. How to create a high-quality digital product. Best tools to create digital products. Ebooks and PDFs. Canva, Google Docs, Kindle Direct Publishing. Online courses. Teachable Thinkific Kajabi. Templates and graphics. Canva, Photoshop, Figma. Stock photos and music. Adobe Stock, Shutterstock. Tips for high-quality content. Focus on value. Your product should solve a real problem. Easy to understand. Keep it simple, actionable, and engaging. Test your product. Get feedback from a small group before launching. Which tool do you prefer? Canva or Photoshop? Tell me in the comments. Part 4. Best platforms to sell digital products. Top platforms to sell digital products. Gumroad, beginner-friendly, great for PDFs and templates. Etsy, perfect for selling Canva templates and digital planners. Amazon Kindle, KDP, best for ebooks and self-publishing. Teachable and Udemy for selling online courses. Your own website, best for long-term success and branding. Pricing strategies. Start low, $10 to $50 to attract first buyers. Offer bundles to increase perceived value. Use limited time discounts to create urgency. Which platform do you think is best for selling digital products? Let's discuss in the comments. Part 5. Marketing and selling strategies. Free marketing strategies, organic growth. SEO and blogs. Write content that ranks on Google. TikTok and Instagram Reels. Create short, engaging videos. Facebook groups and Reddit. Share your expertise and attract buyers. Email marketing. Build an email list and nurture relationships. Paid marketing strategies. Faster results. Facebook and Instagram ads. Run targeted campaigns. Google Ads. Works best for search-based sales. Influencer collaborations. Pay niche influencers to promote your product. Secret growth hack. Create a sense of urgency with limited time offers and flash sales. Which marketing method do you think works best? SEO or paid ads? If you watched this far, you now have all the knowledge you need to start selling digital products and making passive income. Remember, start small, Learn fast and keep improving. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button. Comment below, what digital product are you planning to create? And most importantly, subscribe to InvestoSphere for more business and money-making insights.